Hi, I'm Melanie Hussell, and this is the second of my 3 videos on how to pronounce some key words used to describe our current global crisis. Let's turn to the text and look at the words highlighted in colour. Today I'm going to look at 5 words. First word is headaches. How many syllables? Head aches. 2 syllables. Let's have a look at the sounds in the first syllable. H, e, short vowel, as in egg. D, head. Let's have a look at the second syllable. Starts with a, long vowel, as in say. K, s, aches. Let's put them together. Headaches. Where is the stress? Headaches. It's on the first syllable. Headaches. Let's have a look at the second word. Coughs. How many syllables? Coughs. Yes, just 1. Let's have a look at the sounds in that word. K, o, short vowel. O as in on. F, s. Coughs. The next word is breathing. How many syllables? Breathing. 2 syllables. First syllable. B, r, e as in see. Notice my tongue. Breathe. Let's have a look at the second syllable. Ing. I, short vowel, as in it. Ing. Ing. Now let's put them together. Breathing. Where is the stress? Yes, it's at the beginning. Breathing. Let's have a look at the fourth word. Throat. How many syllables? Throat. Just 1. Let's have a look at the sounds in that word. Notice my tongue. R, o, long vowel, as in no. T, throat. And now for the final word of the day. Blood. How many syllables? Blood. Just 1. Let's have a look at the sounds. B, l, up, as in up, short vowel. D, blood. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it. And if you'd like further help with your pronunciation and your communication skills, visit my site. Have a nice day.